Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to permanently delete your ChatGPT account step by step. It's super easy, so without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open up your browser. It could be Chrome, Opera Mini, or whatever you use. And go to chat.openai.com. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to delete. Once you're in, now look for your profile icon on the top right corner. Click on it and then click on Settings. Now, here's where most people get confused. Inside Settings, you need to go to Data Controls. That's where you will find the option to delete account. Now, click Delete Account. It will ask you to confirm because once you delete it, all your chats, history, everything will be gone forever. So if you're sure, just confirm and boom, it's done. Your account is deleted. Super simple, right? So thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.